आता खबर विस्तारान. केंद्रीय मंत्री सुरेश प्रभूंची महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे बरोबर आयतारा स्टार्टअप पॉलिसीचेर चर्चा करपाक बसका जाली. गोंयाक आयटीच्या वेगळ्या पांवड्यार व्हरपाक विचार चालू आसा आनी गोंयान आयटी क्षेत्रांत रोजगार निर्माण करपाक यत्न चालू आसा. ह्या संदर्भात केंद्रीय मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू कडेन चर्चा जाल्या म्हण माहिती महसूल मंत्री खंवटेन दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आज 31st December आणि as a initiatives what we are doing towards startup IT, towards plans for taking Goa to the next level on the IT map as far as the startups and the ecosystem of IT is concerned. We have been doing various policy schemes and there is expectations of the people of Goa is something has to be coming in. A lot of years have passed, IT sector has been moving very slow is the complaint which we have been receiving and तातून employment तयार करचे बऱ्यो कंपनीज गोंया येवच्यो आणि एक आयटीची इकोसिस्टम ड्रायव्ह जावची म्हणून certain things we have been doing in the last 8-9 months. There has been a lot of support from our Union Minister for Commerce, Sureshji Prabhu, and ताज्या खातीर we made it a point to invite him that we have reached a stage where his team of we had a deliberation in Delhi and immediately he was kind enough to prioritize Goa in his list and send a team of Invest India and startup to Goa. And I would also look at things moving very faster with his personal intervention. Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Bhai also has been instrumental in the policy making and the drivers. And ata with this ecosystem working with the state and the center equations, I think Goa will have a long way to go. January 2018, we can say it is a resolution as far as the IT sector is going, looking at employment, looking at creating the ecosystem. I would like to pass a message to all my friends in the IT sector which are in Goa or having migrated to various places of the country or the world who have not found opportunities. January 2018 onwards, or rather 2018 onwards will be the year for all of us to watch, get things moving, and it is a part where all of us will have to work together to have a success story arrive to.
In terms of creating new jobs, new opportunities, at the same time doing something which is not already done in other part of the world. Because replicating, copying will not give you the type of return that one expects. So the startup is an opportunity where you start thinking new, start doing something different, which can be scaled up to any level. And the ideas will be born here, but they can be replicated all over the country, all over the world. The world will be the market. And to make that happen, Goa is the right place. We call it normally for a new idea, you need incubation center. I would call Goa as an incubation state. So we are planning something for them on 31st December, sacrificing something else which could have been done better by all of us. But we are doing this so that the youngsters of today will see a better days tomorrow. So it's actually a startup program, which is the right thing to do on the end of the year, to think about a startup because new year is getting started, new ideas should get blossom. Therefore we are doing this. All the startup products can be very easily marketed through a virtual marketplace. This is what we are planning. So Goa will be obviously with the right candidate to get linked to it because they are the ones who are the early movers. They came out with the policy soon and a very nice forward looking, very comprehensive policy. So we will implement that.